What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. Out to my first of 2 jobs today. They're both carpet cleaning. First one's move out, and I'm not sure on the second one. So we're gonna see how it is. I don't think that they said there was any pet issues, but we'll see. It's for the standard cleaning. And yeah, we'll see when we get there. Hi guys, so on my way to the job, and just kind of wanted to talk a little bit about people that are thinking about getting into the business, carpet cleaning in general. Well, I got an email yesterday, and it kind of hit a spot in me. I was like, oh, you know, I got an email, somebody asked some questions, but that's a younger guy in his 20s, and he's basically saying that you know, he quit his job, and he's really depressed, on the point of, you know, feeling like he doesn't want to live anymore. And he basically had started another venture, and kind of gave up on it, and he's to a point where he just doesn't have any, you know, he's feeling hopeless. I talk about that in my videos, that hopeless feeling that a lot of people have, and I've been there. And so basically, you know, he doesn't have a job. He's thinking about, you know, starting off with a small org package kind of deal. Not that I sell packages, but I call it package because, you know, you get the org and the vacuum and the, you know, pump-up's rare. But anyway, a $500 kind of budget is what he's gonna do. And he said he's only got a car though, so he doesn't know how that's going to work. Well, you know, with the Orit, you can fit all that in your car, so that's not an issue. Okay. Issue is never giving up. You just can't give up. You got to know that for every low, there's a high. It always ends up that way. No matter what you think, it's always going to end up that way. So depend on that. Depend on that. For every low, there's going to be a high. So every bad thing that happens is going to be total opposite. Like if you're starting off your business and you're not getting, you know, something happens, whatever, you're not getting any business right away, keep pushing and you're going to turn that right around. Number 2 is I gave some advice on just pick up a job. Don't be jobless. You have to be moving in life. You can't just sit stagnant, okay? Yes, you want to start your own business, but it's not responsible. And it's too stressful for you just to totally depend on your new business, you know, when you don't have any clients or anything like that. You know, that's too much pressure. You need to get a job, a part-time job, full-time job, and do your carpet cleaning business on the side. Build it on the side. You know, do whatever you need to do to get that business. Book 1 or 2 jobs a week. Get your craft down, you know, and keep building on there. As long as you're moving, you're gonna that hopeless will dissipate. Okay, you need to be pushing towards something, always focusing on something. So I don't recommend anybody quitting their job and starting their own business, carpet cleaning business, just like that. Especially if you don't even have any experience in carpet cleaning, you need to learn it. Start it, buy your equipment, educate yourself, start doing jobs, and keep building from there. So yeah, I just hope the best for the guy, and hope he just stays positive, and keep watching videos and educate yourself. That's one thing I did, is whenever I felt kind of like discouraged, started watching videos, and it brought me right back up. So all right, mine or somebody else's, I'm not telling you. Start watching all my videos and you're gonna be good, and just whatever motivates you. All right, so we'll see you at the job now. What's up guys, just 1 second before the video starts. I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. finished up. Alright guys, that's it. I gotta wash my windshield. I gotta get my van washed. It's embarrassing right now. Anyway, that's it. Customer was really happy. Gave me a tip, so you know they're happy. And off to the next one. Alright guys, showed up my second job. Look at that. Nice to be just about a mile out of town and view this country out here. So, show you what we're doing. Initially, I came out to do 4 areas, master and 2 guest bedrooms, but they wanted to add these 2 items on here, and I'm just going to do the top of this one, and then this right here. Then we got the master here. It's not that bad. Some stains here and there. Shouldn't be a problem. I'm gonna go ahead and use carpet detail for everything, even the upholstery. Yeah, so they had family in that lived in here. Was living with them for a while, and they finally moved out, and so they're getting it all cleaned up. And I'm gonna do my best to make them happy. Let me see where the light is in here. Oh, lighting in these places sometimes, you know. Tough. There we go. Hit that switch. All right. Well, I'm not gonna do much recording on this job. Maybe I'll save it for the next video. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Liking and subscribing. You know the routine. We'll see you in the next video.